Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the MySQL version and that you have an admin account with grant privileges. This matters because some commands differ slightly. Next, make sure the server firewall and cloud security group permit TCP traffic on port 3306. Once done, decide whether to open MySQL directly by changing bind address or to prefer an SSH tunnel for immediate secure access. The latter gives access without exposing the port publicly while you prepare configuration changes. Now you edit the MySQL configuration and user permissions. Open My, CNF or Mysql, CNF and change bind address to 0, 0, 0, 0 or a specific interface IP to accept remote clients, then restart the MySQL service so the change takes effect. Next, create or alter the user with a host pattern like % and grant the needed privileges, then run flush privileges. This tells MySQL to apply permission changes immediately. Also verify skip networking is disabled. Finally, test remote connectivity from another host using the MySQL client with the server IP and port. If the connection fails, systematically check the OS firewall rules, cloud provider security groups, and the MySQL error log for binding or permission errors. Make sure the service actually restarted. If you still see problems, switch to an SSH tunnel or enable TLS and restrict the MySQL user's host to specific IPs to secure access. One key troubleshooting tip: use Telnet or NC to confirm TCP 3306 reaches the server before blaming MySQL.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.